Staples, the series where we go through all the basics of using your Squarespace website. Okay, so to get started, you're going to want to log into your Squarespace website and then come over here to this paintbrush that's called Site Styles. Come down to Colors. And now you'll see your current color palette here with them all broken out with your different themes right here. But if we want to change any of these colors and across the whole palette, we're going to come over here, and then you'll notice it defaults to this HSL type, but you can also choose RGB and hex. In my personal experience, I found hex is the most universally used across all browsers and just different types of applications. You can copy and paste this code into things like Canva or Color Picker, anything like that, and change your colors. So if you already have specific hex codes or RGB codes or even HSL codes that you would want to use, you would just paste that in here for your different colors. Alternatively, you can drag this around and then you'll see this changing down here. I do prefer to stick with the hex codes just because, like I said, I found it to be the most universal. You can set this like this. Once you get everything up to your liking, I'm gonna drag this around a little bit more. Let's say I want this to be more on this spectrum. Drag that over there and make this one over here. It would also be a good idea just for brand integration and cohesiveness to copy down each of these codes for your brand colors and have that stored in a separate place as well, just so that if you want to, I don't know, say design some graphics or something in another application, you can have all of your very specific colors already lined out like that. Now, once you've set each of these to your liking, just be sure to hit save, and then you're all done. That's it. Now go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace.